Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. In last part we made 9 rows. Okay, now we will start frock like this. Okay, I am on the 10th round, so make 17 double crochets. Don't forget to make one chain in starting and make 17 double crochets. After 17 double crochet, now it's time to join the sleeves. This is our first corner and this is our second corner. So on the second corner like this, make one double crochet in the next. Now on the second corner like this, and without any chain, in the second corner we will make double crochet like this. So this is our armhole like this. Now make double crochet in next chain and make them till the next corner like this. Okay, after these double crochets line, now this is our third corner and make one double crochet in the next corner, in this corner, and now hold it like this and make one double crochet in the next corner like this. Okay, in 10th row we should have, this is back side, and where we will turn like this, and this is our front side like this. So this is our armhole. See, we will make hood sleeves, so this will be our first side, front side. Okay, so we have now 17 double crochet, so we will make them. Okay, I have completed these 17 round, but I have left only one. I have made 17. Okay, now we will ending this opening also. We are ending these corners design here, and in the same round we will end this opening also. So here we will join this. In the last chain like this, and in the first chain we'll make one double crochet, and in the top of the first double crochet where from we started, and in the first chain we'll make a slip stitch, chain 1. So we have joined the opening here and the sleeves. Now we have only one round, one circle. This is the body, where from we will start frock. See, so I am joining the second color from here. See, we end up here. You have to be very careful that we will have to make our pattern from the front side, because it will not, this will move like this. We will make like this. So we will have to be very careful to make this frock. We will not make from the back side. We will make our pattern for only from the front side. So we will hold like this. Okay, so start from the second color and we'll start our pattern chain 1. Okay, in the next chain make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the same chain, 1 chain, and 2 more double crochets in the same chain, 1 and 2, like this. Okay, now skip 2 chains, 1 and 2. In the third chain make 2 double crochets in the same chain, 1 chain, and 2 more double crochets in the same chain, 1, skip 2 chains. In the next chain 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet in the same chain, chain 1, and 2 more double crochets in the same chain. Like this we will complete our this round. Like this we will make, and we will end up here. See, I'm showing you in the corner also. Skip 2 chains, 1 and this middle joining chain, and in the next chain again make 2 double crochets in the same chain, 1 chain, and 2 double crochets in the same chain. So we have a fan of 4 double crochets and 1 chain in the middle. Okay, if you are making the same chains as I said in my video, so you have also left only 2 chains in the last. This is our last fan and this is our first fan, and there are only 2 chains as we left in every. So my space of this pattern is the same. So in this chain, in the last chain, we will make a slip stitch like this. Make 1 chain. So here I have completed my first round of the frock like this. See, for the second round, okay, if you are making in 2 colors like me, so you have to follow this last color, because after 2 rounds I will join this color again. So I have to like this. I just give a twist, and here now in the second round I have to come in the middle of this fan. So make 2 slip stitch like this, 1 and 2. Now I am the middle of this fan. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and make 1 more double crochet in the same space, chain 1, and 2 more double crochets in the same space, 1 and 2. I am repeating the same fan in the second round also. So I will make in every fan, in the middle of the fan, I'll make 2 double crochets, 1 chain, and 2 more double crochets in the same space. I am repeating the same round. And we will complete our second round like this. In last we'll join in third chain, 1, 2, 3 with a slip stitch. Now I am adding the another color. So we'll have to first slip stitch to come in the middle of this fan. We'll make, I'm making this with pink color. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Now in the third round we will make 3 double crochets. One, I have made 3 chains, so these 3 chains will count in double crochets, and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Now chain 1 and 3 more double crochets in the same space. 1, 2 and 3. In first round we have made 4 double crochets, fam, 2 double crochets, 1 chain and 2 double crochets. In second round we repeated, and in the third round we will make 6 double crochets with 1 chain, 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 3 double crochets. And in the next fan make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1 and 3 more double crochets in the same space. See, we increased 2 double crochets in a fan. So for the perfect shape, we increase the double crochets. Okay, like this we will complete our this round also. And let me show the shape like this. In last again we will join in third chain 1, 2 and 3 with a slip stitch. Okay, I am giving a twist with the second color and make 2 slip stitch like this to come in the middle of this fan. Okay, 3 chains. Okay, let me show the shape first. See, in first 2 rounds we will make the same 4 double crochets fan, and now we will repeat in 5 rounds. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will repeat the same 6 double crochet with 1 chain, and there will be 7 total. Okay, so make 4 more rounds of the same this round. Three chains as our double crochet, 2 more double crochets in the same, chain 1 and 3 more double crochet in the same space. In the next fan 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 more double crochets in the same space. Like this, make 5 rounds, complete 5 rounds here. 1 I have made, second I have started, and make 4 more. We'll make 5 rounds same. We will repeat the same. Okay, I have completed my all 5 rounds of 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochet. So total we have made 6 double crochet in a fan. But I want more length of this frock, so I'll make 2 more rounds of the same fans, 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 3 double crochets. So they will be total 7 of 6 double crochets, and from here they will be total 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2 rounds more I'm making. Okay, I have completed my all 7 rounds of 6 double crochets fan. So total we have made 9 rounds of this pattern. Okay, so this will be my last round, and this will be this will be as our border also. So I'm in the middle of this fan. Now make 3 chains as usual we are making in this pattern or in this fan, and in this space make 8 double crochets total. 1 double crochet, we will count these 3 chains in as our double crochet. 2 and make 6 more double crochets, so they will be 8 double crochets total. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is 8 double crochets fan. I didn't make any chain in this fan. Okay, for the next fan in this middle or in this space, again make 8 double crochets in the same space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and last 8. See one more time. In the middle of this fan make 8 double crochets in the same space. Okay, so like this we will complete this round. In third chain 1, 2 and 3 make a slip stitch to join them. 1 chain, and here my frock's length is ready now, and I'm cutting this this wool here. And hiding this extra wool like this. And I'm hiding this also like this. Okay, now it's time to make the border or the lace on the neck. Okay, this is our front side, and from the back side like this. This is our front and this is our back, and from here we will start to make our border or the lace in the corner. You can make any border or any lace which you want to make or which you like most. Okay, skip 2 chains, and in this space after 2 double crochets space make 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet in the same space, 1 more double crochet in the same space. So totally I have made 3 double crochets, and skip 2 double crochets in the next space, make 1 single crochet like this. See, skip 2 double crochet in after 2 double crochet space here, make 1 double crochet, 2 more double crochet in the same space, and 2. There are 3, and here I skipped 3 double crochets, and in this corner make 1 single crochet. This is the curve, so we have skipped here 3 double crochets. After 3 double crochets here make 1 double crochet, 2 more double crochet in the same space, total 3 double crochets. Now skip 2 double crochets, and in the next space make 1 single crochet. We have skipped 3 double crochets here and 3 double crochets here just because of this curve. Okay, otherwise we will skip 2 double crochets in everywhere. skip 2 double crochets. In the next space make 3 double crochets in the same space, and skip 2 double crochets, make 1 single crochet like this. Okay, now I am on my second corner, so we have to skip 3 double crochet in the corner. Now I am the second corner, so I'll skip 3 double crochets, and here I am making 1 single crochet, and again I am skipping 3 double crochets in this space. I am making 3 double crochets in the same space, and now I am skipping 2 double crochets and make 1 single crochet. So I'll skipping 2 double crochets till here, and in the corner I'll skip 3 double crochets again for the perfect shape of neck. And in last, cut here and hide this extra wool. So you can see the shape of the neck. Okay, and where from we started, we'll and cut it here and hide them also. In this video, I'm making this half sleeves frock. In the next video, when I'll make another pattern of the frock, and then I'll make sleeves of the frock. So in this video, I'm just making a lace, a border like this here also, on the sleeves also. So we will start the sleeves lace from the lower part of our armhole, like here from like this. Make 1 chain and skip 2 double crochets here, 1 and 2, and make 3 double crochets and skip 2 double crochets and make 1 single crochet. Skip 2 chains, 2 double crochets in the next space. Make 3 double crochets, continue 3 double crochets in the same space, and skip 2 double crochets in the next space. Make 1 single crochet. Again I am repeating the same. Like this. We will complete this armhole also. And in last, make a knot here and cut at the wool here and hide this extra. And we'll make same here also. Okay, I have completed my both armholes, and I forgot something. We have to make a border here also, because we didn't make a border for the buttons. So we will make a small border of pink color like this. We will start from here. Make 1 chain, and in the next double crochet make 3 double crochets in the same space, and in next make 1 single crochet like this. 3 double crochets in the same space, and in the next space make 1 single crochet. Like this is our back side. Okay, in the back side you can place 2 or 3 buttons here. I'm putting 2 buttons here, one here and one here. So this is ready now. You can place a flower for here. Some people place some flowers for the baby's frock, but I don't think that is safe. They can put the flower on their mouth, so I'm not putting anything on the front side for the babies. Okay, I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.